Hello guys, and welcome back to this channel, where today guys, I'll be showing you how to manage orders on Etsy. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to Google and type in etsy.com. After that, you just need to go and log into your profile. Or guys, if you already don't have a profile, you can always go and register to Etsy. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. So here we have in the top left corner categories, where you can check out all of the categories in the website. We have the search bar where you can search for single items, and in the top right corner you have everything about your own profile. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and manage orders on Etsy. So first of all, what you need to do is go to Shop Manager. So go to the top right corner where you have the Shop Manager and click on there. You of course have to set up this, so you have to set up your shop here and then go back to this video of course. After that guys, you need to go and click on the orders and shipping on etsy.com. In the open orders tab, you'll see a list of your sales that you haven't completed yet. Select the timer icon on the right side of your order that you are interested in, then complete the order. Choose a ship date of course, and then add a personal note to the buyer. Alternatively, you can use the third-party tools such as one-stop order processing, CRED-based, and Etsy own order management system to manage your Etsy orders. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, as I said, that will be everything, and I'll be seeing you in the next video. Bye guys.